there! It's time for NHK World Japan's Easy Japanese. I'm Eriko Kojima.
And I'm Michael Reese. Let's have fun learning Japanese together. Today we bring you lesson 36 on asking about the time. Tam, a student from Vietnam, and her friend Ayaka took a trip to Hakone. Tonight they are staying at a hot spring inn. After checking in, they are led to their room by an attendant.
Listen to the skit for lesson 36.
こちらの部屋でございます。
お風呂は何時から何時までですか？
朝6時から夜12時までです。
タム、日本の温泉入ったことある？いいえ、初めてです。楽しみです。
Now let's go through the skit line by line.
The attendant tells the guests,
こちらの部屋でございます。
This is your room.
Tam asks the attendant,
お風呂は何時から何時までですか？
From what time to what time can we use the bath?
The attendant replies,
朝6時から夜12時までです。
From 6 in the morning until midnight.
Ayaka asks Tam,
タム、日本の温泉入ったことある？
Tam, have you ever bathed in a Japanese hot spring?
Tam replies,
いいえ、初めてです。
No, this will be my first time.
楽しみです。
I'm looking forward to it.
Well, Tam seems to be happy to be staying at a hot spring inn.
Yes, indeed. Hakone is a resort town with many such places. In a Japanese-style room, they'll sleep on a futon mattress laid on tatami straw mats.
Today's key phrase is, from what time to what time can we use the bath?
お風呂は何時から何時までですか？
Once you master this pattern, you'll be able to ask about the start time and end time of something.
First, let's take a closer look at its meaning. お風呂 means bath. Here, it refers to the large public hot spring bath. 何時 means what time. から and まで are particles, the former meaning from and the latter meaning to or until. So the phrase 何時から何時まで is from what time to what time. Today's point. To ask what time something is going to start and what time it'll end, clarify what the question is about by using the particle wa.
In this example, the question is about the bath, ofuro. That's why Tam says, ofuro wa.
Exactly. And the phrase is followed by 何時から何時までですか? Meaning, from what time to what time. If you only want to ask for the time something starts, use 何時からですか? That's from what time. If you only want to know the time something ends, say 何時までですか? Meaning, until what time.
Okay, listen and repeat out loud.
何時から何時までですか？お風呂は何時から何時までですか？お風呂は何時から何時までですか？
Okay, got it? Now, listen to a conversation in which a man is inquiring about times at the front desk of a hotel.
すみません。明日の朝食は何時から何時までですか
？6時から9時半までになります。
Now, let's look at what was said.
すみません。
Excuse me?
明日の朝食は何時から何時までですか？
From what time to what time is tomorrow's breakfast?
明日 means tomorrow, and 朝食 means breakfast. 明日の朝食は indicates the topic of the question.
6時から9時半までになります。
from 6 o'clock to 9:30.
6時 means 6 o'clock. 9時半 is 9:30. 6時から9時半まで means from 6 to 9:30. になります is used instead of this. It's a polite expression often used to address customers.
Now it's your turn. Listen and repeat out loud.
明日の朝食は何時から何時までですか？すみません。明日の朝食は何時から何時までですか？
All right, let's ask about time in other situations. Imagine a fireworks festival is planned for tonight. Ask a staff member at the inn when the festival is going to begin. Fireworks festival is
花火大会。花火大会。
Go ahead.
花火大会は何時からですか？花火大会は何時からですか？
Next, you want to know what time a particular store is going to close. Ask, what time is this store going to close? This store is
この店。この店。
Now give it a try.
この店は何時までですか？この店は何時までですか？
There, I think you've got it. Today's bonus phrase is what Tam said when asked whether she's ever bathed in a Japanese hot spring. Memorize it as a whole phrase.
初めてです。
初めてです means this will be my first time.
Okay then, listen and repeat out loud.
初めてです。
Now let's listen to the skit once again.
こちらのお部屋でございます。
お風呂は何時から何時までですか？
朝6時から夜12時までです。
タム、日本の温泉入ったことある？いいえ、初めてです。楽しみです。
はるさんの知恵袋。
It's time now for Haru-san's bag full of advice, and today we'll talk about how to bathe in a hot spring bath.
When traveling around Japan, you'll surely go to a communal hot spring or public bathhouse and soak along with strangers. Michael, have you ever done that?
Oh, yes. Actually, I love Japanese onsen or Japanese hot springs. In fact, I love it so much that my house is less than a 30-second walk from an onsen.
Wow, lucky you.
Oh, yes.
Most communal baths are separated by gender. Each entrance has a curtain with the kanji for either men, otoko, or women, onna. So learning these two characters is worthwhile. You take off your clothes in the changing room and bathe with nothing on.
Now, some people might find this a little embarrassing if they're not used to it. So are swimsuits okay?
As for the bathing etiquette, before soaking in the bath, first rinse yourself off and make sure to keep your hand towel out of the bath water. Also, your hair should stay above water. Everyone benefits from keeping the communal bath water clean.
You know, a nice hot bath would be great right about now.
We hope you enjoyed today's Easy Japanese.
Be sure to come back again.